Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Somebody please tag NWC for me now, please, because me listen to my radio, NWC till I try to tell people say enough water not going to them catchment areas. NWC, how not catch water? What kind of methods do I use to actually catch this precious commodity that is flowing naturally and has been flowing naturally from the skies for the last week? I just want to know how now catch the water. What methods are there to channel this water here that is falling from the sky to the catchment areas so that you can process it for the lovely citizens of this country to get water? Eh? Because it's been raining. And you can't fool people because we're in the rain. So, somebody tag them for me now. NWC, how are you capturing the water that has been flowing from the sky?
Viewers and subscribers, the man that you just saw a while ago is known as Johnny Christopher Daley. You know that little boy that grew up on this Jamaican sitcom or TV series, you know, Lime Tree Lane, you know, with Donald, Bubbles, Miss Uptown, Mars Gussie. Who could forget Mars Gussie, you see me? Well, anyways, he's trying to make some valid points, you know, and he's making a point where he's trying to point it out that so many rainfall had been happening for quite a few days right about now. So he's making it very obvious that with so many rainfall, you see me, and then at the same time, complaints are being made from the company that is known as the National Water Commission from Jamaica, which is NWC. Based on what he said that they hear on the radio, they are saying that they're still having problems with the water. You know what I mean? Like with distributing water to the people of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, if there is a problem with the whole distributing to the water or gathering enough water so that the people of Jamaica can have it, you know what I mean? In my point of view, I would like to add that I think that they should find a way to get a bigger dam or bigger catchment, as you would call it, you know what I mean? Fix something where it can become enough to supply the citizens of Jamaica, you see what I say? And now this video, what I'm doing, you know, is not to disrespect anyone, not disrespect any company, you know, but you have to look at it and see that this is a valid point, you know what I mean? And water is life, and you know how water thing go. If there is no water, even your health can be at risk because you have to wash your hand, you have to bathe, you have to shower, you need the water to stay hydrated, you know what I mean? So all these things. Now sometime in the summer of 2019 here, you know, Walton Park Road had been blocked by the residents of Walton Park Road because them not have water for a certain amount of time, as them said, you see me? And other places in the Kingston and St. Andrew said that them not have water for weeks. You know, some of the places complain and say these things, you see me? So some of them blame it and say that it is because of the road work, you know, because since of lately they might do some renovation on the road and they might widen the road, you know, give us more lanes and have a better flow of traffic and all these things, you see me? So some of the blame has been put on the whole road work, say because of the road work they now get no water and all these things, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, over the years there have been complaints about water being turned off for a long period of time through enough communities, you see me? I say viewers and subscribers, so you know, so with the whole road work thing, you know, it can be a 50-50 blame, but you cannot really and truly say, yo, it's totally because of the road work, because these things have been happening before even the road work happened, where complaints have been made, say water been turned off, you know. So I think it is a valid point that what Johnny made, and I think that them should really and truly try to see if they can get a better catchment or a bigger dam, as they would call it, you see me? Or maybe that the dam just want clean, you see me, viewers and subscribers. And again, may I say, this is not to disrespect anyone, you know, but this is some deep concern right here, because like I said, water is life, and you know, we have to think about people's health, you see me? So Anyway, if you improve Jamaica would be good, alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. And you don't know, you can also let me know what you think about this whole water thing and the whole catchment thing that has been talked about in this video that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?